If you have been experiencing tinnitus and you have seen countless doctors and practitioners without getting any real relief, I want you to know you're not crazy. It's not just in your head and you're not some rare hopeless case. There are many others out there just like you. Everyone wants to live a fulfilling life without constantly thinking about their tinnitus, wondering when it will go away, or fearing they will have to live with this sound forever. As an audiologist, I used to see patients with tinnitus perform their hearing evaluations and tinnitus assessments, basically all the diagnostic parts, but I wasn't given enough time or support to actually consult with them about what comes next. Things like management strategies, cognitive behavior approaches, or tinnitus retraining therapy. Unfortunately, insurance doesn't usually cover the counseling part of tinnitus care, and most clinics simply cannot afford to include it in their practice. So those traditional appointments I was offering just weren't enough. They weren't truly helping everyone who suffer from tinnitus. That's when I realized tinnitus cannot be treated in isolation. One method alone won't solve it. We need to look at the full picture. I started going down a rabbit hole, taking courses, experimenting with treatments on myself, and testing strategies with my patients. Eventually, I found a framework that actually worked. Then I asked myself, how can I take everything I have learned, this experience, these tools, these strategies, and put them all in one place so anyone, anywhere can access them and break free from the cycle of chronic tinnitus. That's when I decided to create a program called Ultimate Tinnitus Relief Framework. I have lived through what you're going through. Like many of you, I spent years trying to manage my own tinnitus. I saw specialists after specialists. I tried everything: sound therapies, restricted diets, mindfulness, supplements, hoping something would work. And while some things helped for a little while, nothing gave lasting relief until I discovered the real key. You don't have to get rid of from the sound to stop suffering from it. That's where habituation comes in. My tinnitus hasn't gone away, it's still there, but now I hardly ever notice it, and when I do, it just doesn't bother me anymore because through a combination of neuroscience, cognitive therapy, and mindfulness, I was able to retrain my brain to tune it out. That's the power of neuroplasticity. And that is exactly what I teach inside the Ultimate Tinnitus Relief Framework. It's a complete step-by-step program based on proven evidence-based methods to help you get your life back. Most people are handed random tips, apps, or supplements, but this framework is different. You will learn the exact techniques backed by science, including cognitive behavior therapy, to change your relationship with tinnitus, acceptance and commitment therapy to reduce resistance and anxiety, sound therapy to desensitize your brain, and powerful mindfulness exercises to bring you calm, presence, and peace. But this isn't just information, it's transformation. You will get a guided workbook and journal, planners and symptom trackers, progress tools to stay on track, worksheets to develop your personal tinnitus relief plan, and expert guidance every step of the way. This framework is built not just from textbooks, but from real-life experience and clinical success. And most importantly, you don't have to figure this out alone. You will join a supportive community of people just like you, people who are tired of the noise, tired of the confusion, and ready to take their life back. Whether you're just starting your tinnitus journey or you have been struggling for years, whether you have tried everything or feel like nothing works, this program is here to show you you can live your life fully again, even with tinnitus. Not by fighting the sound, but by rewiring how your brain reacts to it. If you are ready to stop obsessing over your tinnitus, if you are ready to stop Googling solutions at 2 a.m., if you are ready to start living again, then I invite you to join me inside the Ultimate Tinnitus Relief Framework. Let's retrain your brain, let's take your power back.